If you're looking for a resort-style hotel located in Nago, Okinawa, consider Oriental Hotel Okinawa Resort and Spa. The bathroom was Western style with a spacious vanity. The room had some basic amenities including the usual bottled water and coffee and tea. The kettle and in-room safe can also be found in the same area. The room is very big with enough space for an extra bed, a small table, a little area with a lounge chair, and a tiny little balcony, all without making the room feel too cramped. My favorite part is the floor-to-ceiling windows with stunning views of the sea, the nature, and the hotel pool down below. The floor-to-ceiling windows also bring in some beautiful natural light, making the room feel very welcoming. Being a resort-style hotel, there are a handful of facilities including a kids' playroom, an indoor swimming pool, a hotel shop, a laundry room, and an extensive outdoor swimming pool with a pool slide. Take note that you'll need to be at least 120 centimeters tall to use the pool slide. There are two options for breakfast, but the Japanese kaisendon option is limited in the number of bowls offered each day, so we had our breakfast at the buffet restaurant each morning. Located next to the hotel shop in the lobby is the amenities area where we could pick out our own amenities to be used in our room, such as bath salts, hair oil, and Okinawan bar soap, and they even had a variety of different Okinawan brown sugar from the various islands to sample. The parking lot is uncovered, so it may be problematic for the rainy season. It's also not complimentary, which is a little annoying. There was a long wait of over 30 minutes for breakfast, which is understandable for a big property with many guests. If you're pressed for time, they do allow guests to take away some food to be enjoyed in your room or by the pool. Breakfast itself wasn't awful, but there's definitely room for improvement. Overall, this hotel is very spacious with a handful of useful facilities to make your stay a comfortable one. It's a great option if you're visiting multiple nearby attractions, but the airport is located about an hour away and the location is inconvenient unless you're renting a car. The wait for breakfast can also get quite long and food quality could be improved. A solid 7.5 out of 10.